Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede Pyotr from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some cool Tom Petty. American Girl. Let's go. Let's do it. Standard tuning. We got D major. We got E major. We got G major and A major. So these are the basic chords for the verses. That's the first part of the verse, D, E, G, A, 2 times. And then second time, you stay 2 times on A. And then D, G major, E minor this time. 1, 2, and then stay on A. It's the build up for the chorus. Let's do that again from the beginning. And then I'm going to show you this other part later, the high part. G major, oh yeah, A, D, to B minor. So that's the only thing that's hard for beginners here, I guess. Second fret, bar from A string, 4, 4, 3, and then end with G, she was G, A major to D. Let's do that again from the verse. D major, E major, G major, A major, D major, D major, G major, A major, stay on A. This part, grab G string 7 and then B, E 10. And this is cool too, from E major, go G, just grab E, open E, second fret E, and then grab G. So D, E major, bum, bum, bum. Again. From G here back to E minor, walk down, third finger on what is that? 9G. Sounds pretty cool. Okay, so that's the main parts. The verse, D, E, G, A, D, E, G, A, and then stay on A, D, walk up, G major to E minor, and then A, stay on A, build up to the chorus. G major chorus, A major, D major, B minor, she was. Okay, then we have the bridge. That's G, 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 and then go. That's 3, E, 4, E, and then grab an A, and then D. G, 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 A, D, G, G, A, D. If you want to play that part. That's on the G string, 5, 6, 7. Last time, just stay on A, and then we have the guitar solo, which is over the verse chords. Do that another time. Alright, folks, thank you. Very cool song. Have a good night and take it easy. Be safe.